In this video, we have been given that AB is equal to AP is equal to PQ is equal to CQ and BQ is equal to CP and angle BAC is X. Then we have to find X. So if we join AQ then in triangle APQ it is A, P, Q. We have AP is equal to PQ. That means these two angles, they will be equal. Suppose theta. If this angle is theta, then this angle, it will be theta. So this angle, it will be theta plus theta, that will be 2 theta. This angle, it will be 2 theta. And now in triangle CPQ, it is C, P, Q. We have CQ is equal to PQ. That means these two angles, they will be equal. And this angle is 2 theta. So this angle, it will be also 2 theta. This angle, it will be 2 theta. And now we have AP is equal to CQ and CP is equal to BQ. So AP plus CP, it will be CQ plus BQ and it is AC is equal to BC. And now in triangle ABC, it is A, B, C. We have AC is equal to BC. That means these two angles, they will be equal and this angle is X. So this angle, it will be also X. And this angle is 2 theta. So X plus 2 theta, it will be 180 degrees. And 2x, it will be 180 degrees minus 2 theta. And x, it will be 90 degrees minus theta. We have x is 90 degrees minus theta and this angle is x, that will be 90 degrees minus theta. And now in triangle APQ, it is A, P, Q. We have AP is equal to PQ. That means it is isosceles triangle. So from point P if we make a perpendicular on AQ, suppose this point is M, then by symmetry AM it will be equal to QM. Suppose A from point P, if we make a perpendicular on AQ, suppose this point is M, then AM it will be equal to QM. Suppose A, and now from point A, if we make a perpendicular on BC, suppose this point is N, then this angle it will be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus theta. That will be theta. It is theta. And now in triangle NAB and triangle MAP, we have angle ANB is equal to angle AMP, that is 90 degrees. Angle NAB is equal to angle MAP, that is theta, and AB it is equal to AP. So triangle NAB it will be congruent to triangle MAP. Hence AN it will be equal to AM, and AM is A. So AN it will be also A, and now in triangle ANQ, it is ANQ, this angle is 90 degrees. AN is A, AQ is A plus A, that will be 2A. And suppose this angle is alpha, then cos alpha it will be AN over AQ, and cos alpha it is equal to AN is A over AQ is 2A, and it is 1 over 2. That means alpha it will be 60 degrees. So this angle it is 60 degrees, and now we have angle BAC is X, that is 90 degrees minus theta, and angle BAC it is theta plus 60 degrees plus theta. It is theta plus 60 degrees plus theta. It is 90 degrees minus theta, and 2 theta plus 60 degrees it is 90 degrees minus theta. and 2 theta plus theta, it will be 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, and 3 theta, it is 30 degrees, so theta, it will be 10 degrees. And now we have x is 90 degrees minus theta, that will be 90 degrees minus 10 degrees, and it is 80 degrees. So x, it is 80 degrees